Alright, well guys, I'm going to blow this huge balloon. I'll show you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys just the sound of the balloon. Whoever gets scared from the sound, look. You could be doing trolling for people. Alright, let's get started. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe for more, like the video, and I have a lot videos gonna come up with balloons. So if you're interested, subscribe for my channel. See ya tomorrow.